7-quart oval cast iron Dutch oven pot for cooking and baking in the oven or on the stovetop, oven safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Smooth enamel finish provides long-lasting durability and non-stick convenience. Cast iron provides even heat distribution and retention, hand wash only. Dual side handles and fitted lid. Roast meat, bake bread, marinate food, sauté vegetables, prepare soups, stews, casseroles, and more. Backed by an Amazon Basics limited 1-year warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Great Le Creuset alternative. I've been wanting a large Le Creuset Dutch oven for so long but just couldn't get myself to spend the money. I finally came across the Amazon brand, read the reviews and decided to just get it. This thing is great. Very heavy, so be warned about that. I've made a few things in this like donuts and traditional pot roast. Money well spent. I think just treat it right and properly clean it and you'll be happy.